8.2 suthi evaluate the derivative of y with respect to x uma ngabe y ulingana no x to power minus 4 plus 2x cubed minus 5 over x. Ukuze ngikwazi ukuthola i-derivative ake ngiyibeke le nto kwi-format e-right ukuze ngizokwazi ukuthola. So this is same as y equals to x to power minus 4 plus 2x to power 3 khona 1 la by default should 2 minus 1 over 5 times x. Now sengakwazi ukuthola i-derivative la ka y with respect to x. So derivative of y with respect to x will be given by 1 times negative 4 will give me minus 4. X minus 4 minus 1 will give me minus 5. It's a rule for a power rule. So 2 times 3 will give me 6. And then 3 minus 1 will give me 2. And then minus 1 over 5 times 1 will give me negative 1 over 5, and then x to power 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Then x to power 0 will give me 1. 1 times this constant value, it gives me 1 over 5. Now I need to proceed. But she answer it with the positive exponent. So asiphindi lento sibhala nje kubeka kanye. So ngizoqhuma sengithi equals to this derivative kusayiyona lento. So manje iphinda lento kwesibili ngizobe sengiye wrong. So mangibhala to the positive exponent, this is same as minus 4. And then lo uyafana nokuthi x to power minus 5. And then I need to transpose this negative sign ibe 1 ngaphezulu, then I'm left with x to power 5 as a denominator. Then lo times negative 4 ngaphezulu kuzoba negative 4 over x to power x to power positive 5 plus 6x squared minus 1 over 5. Ngibuyisela konke lokho kunye ngoba vele exponent yakhona positive. And then 8.3 sebethi nginikeza igraph ka G with respect to x elingana no x squared plus x minus 2 all divided by x minus 1. So they want me to find the first derivative of G with respect to x. Lapho x ingamela lingane no 1. I will explain why x ingamela lingane no 1 because lo mbuzo vele ubuziwe la ngezansi. Now kuzomela lento ngibhale like g at x will exactly equal to x squared. If ngithatha expression le numerator ngaphezulu can be factorized as x minus 1. Ngimthatha po x minus 1 ulo denominator. Most of the times the denominator bakunekona kuyomela ibe khona la ngaphezulu as numerator uma ngabe so factorize. And then minus 1 is umthamzo noma ukuze nginikeze negative 2 sho ngizomthamza no positive 2. Then x is umthamzo noma ukuze nginikeze x squared then x. Then x plus 2x minus x will give me positive x. So factorization yale expression yona le. So la ngaphezulu ngino x minus 1 into x plus 2 over x minus 1. So lento bazofuna ukuyibona, and then should konke cancelana la lo x minus 1 na x minus 1 ya cancelana, then I'm left with x plus 2 as g at x. Then therefore since g at x elingana no x plus 2 should the derivative of g with respect to x yona ilingana no bani, should ilingana no 1 ngoba 1 times x, it's 1 times 1 1, and then x to power 1 minus 1 will give me 0, and then anything that is raised to power 0 will give me 1. 1 times 1 will give me 1. Then the derivative of the constant value is 0. And done. And then 8.3.2 sebethi lana why is it not possible to determine the first derivative of g uma ngabe x wakhona e1? Ingoba i-function okokuqala is undefined uma ngabe x elingana no 1. That's the reason. So the first reason ukuthi the function is undefined at x equals to 1, or the division by 0 again, it's undefined, because if in fara 0 la, anything that is divided by 0 will give me undefined. Ayeki answer call. And again, the denominator cannot be 0. So ungasho noma i-map ama-reasons ekutheni uma ngabe denominator u-0, I mean denominator u-0 by saying if u-x equal 1, that's 1 minus 1, then so denominator u-0, then that would be undefined. So you can state any of those reasons that I've said so far. That's it.
This podcast was proudly sponsored by PPR Education. Podcast Partnership Recognition.